Hey guys, what's up? What's up, my people? It is you here. Okay, man, good. I don't know. I have a job to work at. Okay, alright, alright. I hear you. We have a job to work at. Job because next week on the job we're going to New York. You going to New York next week on the job? That's true. Yeah. Booyah, that's New York. Hey guys. Hey, Chef PP, what's up? How y'all doing? Good. Yeah, I want something to eat. Nah, I'm gonna go to bed. Okay, see ya, Mr. Phone. Yeah, Chef PP. Yo, I got a job to work out. You can work out, go ahead. Okay, he going to New York. He going to New York. I never even been to New York before. Hey, cook with the bachelor. Cook with the bachelor. Cook with the bachelor. Cook with the bachelor. Okay, I'll cook with the bachelor. What else? You know next week you're going to New York. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I know that. I told my I told my buddy, I told my friend, Mr. Hippo about it. You mean the hippo dude with the gray on? Oh, he's not a hippo dude. He's hippo. He's a hippo. He's a hippopotamus for real, but he's Mr. Hippo. That's the name. Okay. Woo! Yeah. Okay, cook. And then cooking. Now you're taking a break off. Okay. Remember the last time you ran with Mr. Hippo? Oh yeah, I did. Just take a flashback. Yeah, you did. Oh, I did. Okay. Okay. Okay, kick your break off. All right. Mm-hmm. How's it very good? Real good. You cook? I get cook Mr. Hippo. Oh, I'm here. Mr. Hippo, you're here? Yeah. You took a break? Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm done. But now I'm done. Now I'm done. Tiger, you've been doing your business all wrong. What? You're fired. You've been doing your business all wrong. That y'all and Mr. Elephant. You're fired. No, I can't be fired. If I be fired, I'm not gonna have no job. You're gonna give them a treat me homework. Okay. Alright. I got fired. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, you need to be hired. We hire him. Alright, we gonna pay you $1 million. Alright, okay. But I want the job. I'm going to get a job. Alright. Who you going with? Mr. Heifer, I'm going back to my old job with Pony. I used to work with Pony. I'm going back to my old job. I'm going back to my old job, Jimmy John. I'm working back at Jimmy John. Alright, have fun. Okay. But can I work here? Yeah, you can work here. Only for only for two. You can work here only for you can work here only for Wednesday and Thursday. Then you come back on then you're going back to your house on Friday. Alright. Now cook. Yes, thank you. I uh I truly forget because true love. I wanna go to